Good morning, class. How are you? Yes, I am fine. So now we are just going to study about the statistics. Last class we have read about the introduction of this. Today we will try to discuss some questions, and in the classrooms we are asking your doubts also. That's very nice only. So you are clearing your doubts. That should be very important. You have understood the importance of online classes, which we are doing since many last months. Okay. So now what we have read in this, okay, till now one small glimpse we can see here. Okay, so we have read about its definition. Okay, data. Okay, we have read about the statics there, its introduction. We have read the origin of this. We have read about the meaning of stats also. Okay, so these all things we have read. Okay, features we have read. Okay, we have read the function of, so though these all things we have studied in the first video there. Okay, so usage and limitations also we have read. Okay, now what we will read here, we will read about the tally marks there. What are tally marks? These are the vertical lines in the set of 5. Okay, here also it is given. These are called hash marks, like this. See, this is called a hash. But in this tally marks, this system here, they are a form of numeral used for counting, and they are most useful in counting or tallying ongoing result, such as a score in a game or sports, as no intermediate results need to be erased or discarded. Okay, so what is tally marks? So these are tally marks here. Okay, this is a set of 10. I have written about 10. So you just see nicely, 1, 2, 3, up to 4, everything is same, only vertical lines. But when it comes 5, now this has been intersected, all the 4 lines has been intersected, and that is the set of 5. Now for writing 6, this 5 must be present here. See, plus 1, that means 5 plus 1, 6. So in this way we can count millions of numbers there. So this is called tally marks there. Then we have one more, class size. It is the common difference between the two consecutive data there. That is called the class size. Suppose that we have the large numbers there, large amount of data, so that a reader can make sense of it equally. So we condense it in the groups, and these groups are called class intervals. Okay, it's many numbers are there. So what we do, like this here, we condense them in a group. It's a group of 10 to 19. It's a group of 20 to 29. It's a group of 30 to 39, like this, 90 to 19. Now so this will be easy. Suppose we want to see something in the group of 10 to 19, so we don't have to search here and there. We'll directly go in this group and we'll find the results. So for that only, the data are condensed in the class sizes, class intervals there. Okay, so this all things we have to find. Suppose that here in this, what is the class size and class limit of the following data? Not following here, actually it is this data here. What is the class size and class limit? So class size is, this is the class size here, 114 minus 104. 114, that is the upper limit, maximum, that one the consecutive number. 104 is the preceding one, so that difference is called the class size. You want to check that in the next one, then also here also you can see here in this also same thing is there. 124, 124 minus 114, same result, that is equal to 10. So in this way we have done this, and I have made one video I would like to share with you, and here is that. Okay, so here is the video that I have made for you, and first I would like to explain this. In this question we have to prepare the frequency. The question will be given here. Wait a minute, here the question has been given. Okay, and in this question They are telling them make the frequency table from the following. I have explained in the classroom what is frequency table. Okay, more than 60, more than 50, so more than table. We have to not it. This cannot be written like this. It has to come in the class intervals. I have explained what is class interval. So for that we need here. So see how we can solve this. So we have tried to solve this here. Okay. So what is given? More than 0, it can be from 0 to any number, but here it has been bounded. It cannot be greater than more than 60. So I will make one more separate table. This is the solution double that I am making. This is the solution of this question. So for this type of questions we have to make one more similar table here, and I am making also. See, what is the first column? Marks. So I will also write marks obtained. I will not change the heading. Only what I will change, I will put them in the class intervals. Okay. Okay. More than 0. It can be. See, more than 0, and after that I'll explain also. See, more than 0, it can be 0 to any number. Okay. First of all, here you see that class intervals, how we find it. Okay. More than 0, and then 10 is there. 20. 10, 0, 10, 20. That means that class size is of 10. Okay, we have got the class intervals here. So more than 0, that means it should be 0 to 10. Okay, because class size is that 10 only. So more than 0 is 0 to 10. Similarly, more than 10, if they are saying more than 10, that means it will be class size is of 10. So more than 10 means 10 to 20. Now understood how we make the class size of this type of questions there. Okay, very good. So we'll just convert them into the class sizes there. How? Just see only. So what is the last? In this type of questions, we will start from the last data that has been given more than 10. Okay, class size is equal to 10. You have to just remember only. I will erase this all. So we'll start from the bottom part, and that is more than 0. So it's 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 22, then it's 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, then 40 to 50, because it's more than 40. It's 40 and class size is 10, so 40 to 50. Then we have 50 to 60. More than 50 means 50 to 60, because class size of 10 only, and more than 60, so that is 60 to 70. Now more than 0, okay, the more than 60 is 0. That means 60 to 70 we have just 0 only there. Okay, now what? This is very important also. More than 60 is 0. It will be also used in the last. We will see this. Now 0 to 10 is more than 10 are 100, but more than 0 are 100, but more than 10 are 92. That means it is 100 minus 92, because after that they will become more than 10. So that is more than 0 is 0 to 10. We have 8 students like this. Similarly for 10 to 20, okay, means more than 10. Okay, so it is here 92 minus 87, that is equal to 5. Very good, we have found the second limit. Okay, we are finding the frequencies there. It should be written in front of that class interval only. So 92 minus 87, that is equal to 5. Third one is 20 to 30, means more than 20 but less than 30. So that is equal to 87 minus 75 is equal to 12. Then we have 30 to 40, means more than 30 less than 40. So that is equal to 75 minus 40. So it's 35. Then we have 40 to 50, means more than 40 but less than 50, so that is 40 minus 16, 24. And finally we have 50 to 60, means more than 50 but less than 60. Okay, so how many such things are there? So that is equal to 16 minus 0, so it is 16 only. Okay, so that is how we have prepared the frequency table, means number of students are here, the frequency, and I have explained that in the classroom there. So we can just find out, we can erase this because I had done that calculation for you. So now fresh it can be written like this: 8, 5 simply, 12, 35, 24 and 16. This is the way to write the frequency table. No need to write explain that there. Okay, so this is how we have made the frequency table of such data. I hope you all will practice this at your home. Till then, all of you take care. Thank you class. Thank you very much.